seeking a place for the night. For Mary was tired, and her time now had come to give all the world her heavenly Son. Sing Alleluia, sing Alleluia. Sing Alleluia, sing Alleluia. Proclaim to the world that the Son of God is born. Rejoice and be glad on this blessed Christmas morn.